Our goal today is to completely transform the handling of this VB WRX from stock. On the table in front of me here, we have our front and rear adjustable sway bars that come with our adjustable Endlinks. Here is our adjustable rear lower control arms to dial in camber. Here's our adjustable rear lower toe arms. And over here is something new that we're very excited about. This is our new lower control arm featuring built-in roll center correction and an offset rear bushing for added positive caster, negative camber, and by using the spacers, even anti-lift. So you might be asking yourself, why modify your WRX? Well, this VB comes with a 2.4 liter turbocharged boxer engine, Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, but the OEMs always leave a little bit left on the table to be desired, especially on the suspension, which we're here to fix with Whiteline today. So our new front lower control arm that replaces the factory alloy arm includes a roll center correction and bump steer ball joint, tie rod end, and also features an offset inner rear bushing to shift the arm for more positive caster and also a bit more negative camber. All right, so we just finished working on the VB WRX. Let's go over what we installed. First off is our 24mm adjustable sway bar that's gonna help eliminate body roll and help dial in the perfect understeer to oversteer balance that you're looking for. And then here's our lower control arm featuring roll center correcting ball joint ends, bump steer correcting tie rod ends. And over here in the inner rear bushing, this is a bearing that's offset that's gonna help add some extra positive caster and negative camber.
Thanks to XForce for lending us their VB WRX. If you want more WRX performance content, hit subscribe and join the Whiteline community today.